Welcome to our quick guide on the latest platform update. Member mapping is a feature designed to simplify the reconciliation process by easily linking unmatched employee records between invoices and your HRIS system. In the past, you had to switch to the old UI to perform member mapping. Now, it's fully integrated into our new UI for a seamless experience. Let's move to our employee list view. You might notice an employee with a red icon. This icon indicates that an employee appears on an invoice but doesn't have a corresponding match in Tabulera's database, most likely due to a difference in how their name is listed across systems. To fix this, you'll need to map the records manually. First, filter the employee view to show only unmapped members. Simply click the icon in the person column and select Not Enrolled Members. Next, select an employee from the list. The Member Mapping tab will slide out from the right. If you know the employee's name as it appears in the HRIS, start typing it in. The platform will suggest matching names. In our demonstration case, the invoice shows Kat Grant, and the HRIS lists Katty Grant Olson. You can map these records together. If you're unsure of the exact name, try a few variations. The platform will narrow down the possibilities. And if you know the person's SSN, you can manually enter the details. For COBRA employees, you also have the option to ignore the mapping. Now, let's talk about the advanced options. Activate this mapping only for the specified date range is useful if an employee has switched companies. This tells the platform which company they belong to at any given time. Apply mapping to this member plan only lets you map an employee for just one specific invoice, useful for unique cases. Once you've found the corresponding employee in the HRIS, click Create Mapping. You'll see the icon next to the newly mapped employee change to a clock icon. But remember, after mapping, you'll need to regenerate the reconciliation report, so it's best to map as many employees as possible before doing so. To regenerate the reconciliation report, click on the Payroll/Enrollment Reconciliation button in the top navigation menu. Then, hit the Regenerate button next to the invoice you've been working on. To view all member mapping configurations for a specific invoice, go inside the invoice and click on the Configure button at the bottom of the screen. Select Member Mapping, and you'll see all your mapped employees. If you need to undo a mapping, simply click the Remove button next to the mapping and start over. Remember to regenerate the report after any mapping changes. And that's it.